Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading The Lonely Polar Bear by Khoa. Please enjoy. The Lonely Polar Bear. There was a winter storm that lasted for many days. The strong wind was wailing and crying. When the storm was finally over, a polar bear slowly crawled out from an icy cave. He was quite small. The little polar bear wandered around the vast, snow-covered land looking for his mommy and his brothers. Suddenly he saw a strange thing, a little spirit girl from the night sky. Bear, little friend. The little spirit girl climbed onto the polar bear's back, and they walked on and on. They traveled very far. A long, long way together. One night, they saw an amazing sight. The little spirit girl said, "Look, Bear, the northern lights. My family is coming." It's time to come home. And so the polar bear kept walking on his own. Puffins joined him as he swam. The polar bear continued swimming. The fish quickly swam past him. "Goodbye, Bear." When the polar bear reached land, he continued walking. The elks greeted him with a big "Hello." "Hello," said the polar bear, but he still hadn't found his family. The polar bear made many friends on his journey. He met some noisy friends. And some quiet friends. Time passed, and the polar bear grew older. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. But he wasn't as big as he should have been. There was little for him to eat on the lonely melting ice. The pieces of ice drifted farther and farther. Without his spirit friend, he felt lost. The polar bear fell asleep and began to dream. He saw the dark winter sky filled with the glowing sparklers. Long time no see. Lonely bear, I have always kept my eyes on you. You can only see your light in winter when the sky is dark, but I'm always here. It's okay, spirit friend. Don't worry. I made many friends. I'm not lonely anymore. Somewhere in the snowy North Pole, a polar bear is sitting quietly, peacefully, enjoying his beautiful sky filled with northern lights. Well, wasn't that a cute story? He made a friend on the way, didn't he? And how many of you have seen your spirit guide or something like that? Let me know with a thumbs up if you have been able to meet your spirit guide. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. When you do that, it will help other people come to this channel and watch my videos. Also, hit that notification bell if you're new. I would like that as well. Also hit that subscribe button down below, and hit that notification bell. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, everybody, and take care. And again, people, thank you for having me reach my goal and stuff. I'm up to 500. Again, thank you very much for your help. But until next time, this is Mr. Bookman, and this book reading's over.